Now that you've heard all about these awesome products, you've heard how I got started with Young Living, the Seed to Seal policy. Now, what do you do with all of this? What I shared with you today, the products that I shared with you today are all part of the Premium Starter Kit. How Young Living works is you can either buy these oils through another member and pay retail price, or you can sign up to become a member. And when you become a member, you get wholesale pricing, which is 24% off of the retail price. Even after one order, you're saving money just by getting the starter kit. The starter kit is everything we talked about tonight. You get the diffuser, 11 oils, the Ninja Red packets, the little samples to share. You get small vials to share the oils in, or to take them for traveling, or to keep them at your desk at work possibly. You get a roll-on. And the price of the basic premium starter kit is $160. That is wholesale pricing plus additional discounts for buying all of that all at once. So the retail price of everything in the kit is $301. So the $160 price on it is incredible savings just right there. If you just get the kit and you don't buy any other oils, that's okay. With Young Living, you're not expected to sign up new members. You're not expected to have parties in your home. This is just for your own wellness. This is just to better your life, your kids' lives, your family's lives, whatever your goal is, or whatever your reason for doing this is. So now, as a member, after you fall in love with the oils and you want to order again, you can just go online and order at the wholesale cost. You don't have to contact anybody to order the oils. Again, you are buying a membership into this. It's pretty simple. It's not complicated at all. You'll be added to a couple of Facebook groups with hundreds, actually thousands of members in some of them, and they've become invaluable resources to me, and will be to you too. We post recipes for food, diffuser blends, oil blends. We ask questions on how we can use certain oils to support systems in our body. You're walking into an established group here, and it's here to help you. Plus, you have me and my upline, who are here to answer any questions you have about using oils and how to better your health and wellness. After this post, I'm going to post a link which will take you to a page if you want to sign up to become a member. Be sure you pick which diffuser you want, enter your personal information, and at the bottom there's a place where you can add additional products. So if you want to add the veggie capsules or the grapefruit essential oil for the weight loss management trio, then you can do that and everything will ship together. Anyone that signs up tonight is going to get a special welcome packet from me that's going to contain some additional goodies to help you start your new oily life. Now stick around for some questions and answers and some fun giveaways to those who participated tonight. And thank you all for joining. Bye.